When used iontophoresis, it is a type of A. Low-frequency TENS, B. HVGS, C. Direct current, D. Russian current, and the answer is C. Direct current. Explanation is, when using iontophoresis, it is a type of direct current. Iontophoresis is a type of direct current therapy that uses a small electric current to drive ions, such as medication or other therapeutic agents, through the skin and into the body tissues. The medication or therapeutic agent is placed on a patch or electrode of the same polarity as the ion to be delivered, and the electrode is placed on the skin over the target area. The direct current helps to facilitate the movement of the ions into the body tissues. The use of iontophoresis allows for localized and targeted delivery of medication or therapeutic agents, which can be beneficial in managing pain, inflammation, and other conditions.